This is The Nature of Grief, a mindfulness card deck for kids. There we go. There's 25 cards in the deck, and they're animals with emotions. Let me show you. So I'm outside at a park right now, so we'll keep this super simple. I'm gonna just put the cards out and pull one randomly today. Surprise. So what are on these cards are animals with emotions written down to just help prompt discovery of, identifying and communicating emotions. It's a beautiful tool to help yourself, your children, your family just really tap into mindfulness.